Tired of the tax time spreadsheet scramble for your eBay business? Let's streamline your sales into Google Sheets. First, navigate to your eBay My eBay section. From there, find the Selling tab and then click on Sold Items. On the Sold Items page, look for the Download Report option. This is usually a button or a link at the top of your sold items list. When the download options appear, select the date range that covers your tax period, €, usually a quarter, or a full year. Crucially, choose the CSV file format. This is essential for importing into Google Sheets. Once the file is downloaded, open your Google Sheets. You can create a new sheet or open an existing one where you want to store your eBay data. In Google Sheets, go to the File menu at the top and select Import. In the Import dialog box, choose the Upload tab. You can then drag and drop your downloaded eBay CSV file into the designated area, or browse your computer to find it. Google Sheets will then ask how you want to import the data. For a clean start, select Replace Spreadsheet. If you want to add to existing sales data, choose Append to Current Sheet. And there you have it. All your eBay order details are now neatly organized in your Google Sheet, ready for expense tracking and tax preparation. Now, you can create additional columns to categorize your expenses. Think about adding columns for your cost of goods sold, shipping costs, eBay fees, and payment processing fees to get a clear picture of your profitability. You can even use simple formulas to automatically calculate your profit per item or your total revenue for the period, making tax filing a breeze. Mastering this simple process will save you hours of manual data entry and ensure your eBay financials are accurate and organized for any tax situation.